Are you tired of trying different weight loss methods with no success? It's time to try something that really works. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for effective weight loss. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but rather an eating pattern. It involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. This pattern allows your body to burn fat efficiently and improve your overall health. There are several methods of intermittent fasting. The most popular one is the 16/8 method. It involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. This can be achieved simply by skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon. Another widely used method is the 5-2 diet. It involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. This method is easier to stick to for some people. Intermittent fasting offers many benefits beyond weight loss. It can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and even help protect against certain diseases. While intermittent fasting is safe for most people, it's important to consult with your doctor before starting. It may not be suitable if you have certain medical conditions or take certain medications. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for effective weight loss and improving overall health. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks.